still going the wrong way. What a f***ing idiot.
He's still going.
Yeah, he's back in the lane now. Correct lane. Yo, what the f***?
Are you alright?
Yeah, I saw you move swerve. I'm like, what the hell? And I see headlights coming towards me. I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah, that was my car right away in front of you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we see. That was so. What the fuck?
I had that on dash cam too, so I'm like, I don't think they realize they're in the freaking wrong oncoming lanes.
I don't think so either.
That's why I pulled over to make sure they didn't hit anyone. Freaking
Head on.
Yeah.
Jeez.
yeah.
Okay. That was right there.
Yeah. I'm definitely saving that video.